Sleeping under the stars, camping tips and tricks. Camping can be really fun. You can be close to nature and rediscover yourself. Hiking is great exercise, and gathering around a campfire is a great way to bond with your friends or family. There are lots of things you can do, and lots of things to do before your next camping trip. Here are some helpful tips to assist you to have that great experience. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. Expect that camping is not typically a time you can stay clean easily. Don't stress out when it inevitably happens. Part of the whole camping experience includes allowing yourself to get dirty. Things will go back to normal soon enough. Use separate coolers for perishables, ice and drinks. While it does not matter if the perishables and drinks go into the same one, make sure to pack your ice separately. This will keep the temperature down so that you will have ice for much longer than you would have otherwise. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in, or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. Introduce yourselves to other families camping in your immediate area, as a means of being social and more apt to help each other out. If another crew arrives after you've set up, offer to help with their tent or equipment. If something goes awry during the trip for anyone, it's much easier to ask for help from somebody who is courteous enough to introduce themselves. It should now be easier to enjoy the time you get to spend camping if you use the ideas given here. Take your time and get familiar with this advice for the next time you go camping. It will allow you to pack correctly and not forget things, so you're able to have a worry-free camping experience. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.